Hello guys, I hope all are doing great. Subscribe for more videos on D365 F&O. If you wanted to have different interview questions or related to the F&O technical developer courses, you can just subscribe and just stay tuned to my channel. So today what we are going to do is before going to a check-in process. Check-in is nothing but basically if you want to move your objects, whatever that you have developed, if you wanted to move your objects from one instance to other instance, there is a process called check-in. So before check-in, basically we need to take care of few things. If you're using a new developer VM, okay. So like what we have to do it is you have to first go to the Team Explorer, where you can just see at the bottom here there is a Solution Explorer and it changes. So we don't have Team Explorer. So what you can just do it is just click on View. Here you'll be able to see Team Explorer. Okay, click on this. So once after clicking the Team Explorer, if your project is using a DevOps for the deployments and all, so you need to connect to the Azure DevOps. This is a mandatory step because whenever you check in, the build will be runs in the build pipeline. So that's the reason if your project is using the Azure DevOps, you need to connect to that the device. It asks for the credentials, and you need to connect the same here as well. Like you can just go to the manage connections, connect to a project. From where we'll get it, just there is a plug icon here, right? So if you just click this one, you'll be able to see this manage connections and connect to project. So when you click on connect to project, if you're already connected with your DevOps server, you will be able to see the list here and under the this particular window. Okay, there's a box, right? So you'll be able to see. So if you have not connected with your DevOps server, you will be able to it is asking for the credentials. So you have to enter the credentials, work credentials. So once after entering it, you will be able to see your user under this and click that particular user and click on connect, so that before check-in process will be completed. Okay. So this is how, like, where you can connect with your project with DevOps. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.